Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra innovation has reached a new pinnacle with this revolutionary new tablet. With cutting-edge technology and unparalleled design, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is set to redefine the tablet experience. When should we expect Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra? Well, Samsung is proud to announce that the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will be available for pre-order starting first week of December 2024 and will be officially released on second week of December, as the date is yet to be known. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will be available at a competitive starting price $100 more on the previous model. This makes it an exciting option for tech enthusiasts and professionals who are looking for uncompromising performance and style. On the key specs, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a powerhouse of performance, featuring a stunning 14.6 inches Super AMOLED display, powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Tab S10 Ultra delivers blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking capabilities. The Tab S10 Ultra is expected to feature a dual rear camera setup with an 8MP plus 48MP configuration, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail, and the front-facing camera of 8MP. 11,200 mAh long-lasting battery ensures that you stay connected throughout your day. While the innovative S Pen integration provides a new level of creativity and productivity, we expect to see a range of RAM options: 12GB and 16GB of RAM, including 256GB and 512GB. Likewise, 1TB storage variety, the latest software with the Android 14 version. Experience the future of productivity and entertainment with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra while we wait for its arrival. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.